The song that I'm going to sing right now is a song called I Hope You Dance. Ann Womack's original. Rowan Keating sang it as well. And I just want to dedicate this song to my good friend CZD right here. Yeah, for all that you've been through, for all that you've achieved and what all you're going to achieve later on after this. And this is my best wish to you. I would like to give a lot of love to all the positive women around the world too. And the thing is, why love positive women? Matter of fact, you're all a symbol of strength. You know, I see a lot of character, I see a lot of strength, I see a lot of love in all y'all that I've seen around the world. So, and since it's love positive woman, from Mizo, much love.
I hope you never lose your sense of wonder. You get your fill to eat, but always keep that hunger. May you never take one single breath for granted. God forbid love ever leave you empty-handed. I hope you still feel small when you stand beside the ocean. Whenever one door closes, I hope one more opens. Promise me that you'll give faith a fighting chance. And when you get the choice, sit it out or dance. I hope you dance. I hope you dance. I hope you never fear those mountains in the distance. Never settle for the path of least resistance. Living might mean taking chances, but they're worth taking. Loving might be a mistake, but it's worth making. Oh, don't let some helping heart leave you bitter. When you come close to selling out, reconsider. Give the heavens above more than just a passing glance. And when you get the choice, sit it out or dance. I hope you 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 still feel small when you stand beside the ocean. Whenever one door closes, I hope one more opens. Promise me that you'll give faith a fighting chance. And when you get the choice, you sit it out or dance. Dance. I hope you 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 dance.